In 1977, a radio telescope picked up a signal from space so strange, so unexpectedly strong, and so difficult to explain that an astronomer reviewing the printout circled it and wrote one word in the margin: "Wow." That signal lasted just 72 seconds. It was never confirmed again in the same way, and decades later, it remains one of the most famous unsolved mysteries in astronomy. This event became known as the WOW signal. It was detected on August 15, 1977, by the Big Ear radio telescope at Ohio State University. At the time, scientists involved in SETI, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, were scanning the sky for unusual radio signals that might stand out from normal cosmic noise. Most signals were weak, messy, or obviously natural. This one was different. The WOW signal appeared narrowband, which made it especially interesting. Natural sources in space usually create broader ranges of radio noise, but a narrowband signal looks more artificial, more focused, more deliberate. It also arrived near the hydrogen line, a frequency long considered important in SETI because hydrogen is the most common element in the universe. If an intelligent civilization wanted to broadcast a signal meant to be noticed, some scientists believed this would be a logical place to do it. The signal was so strong that it stood out clearly in the data. When astronomer Jerry Emmon later reviewed the printout, he wrote "WOW" beside the code. That reaction gave the signal its name. The reason the WOW signal became legendary is simple. It checked several boxes people hoped a real extraterrestrial signal might check. It was unusually strong, narrow band, from a quiet region of the sky, near a meaningful radio frequency, and not easily explained on the spot. For a brief moment, it looked like the kind of thing scientists had been waiting for. But there was a problem. It never came back. The signal lasted only about 72 seconds, which matched how long Big Ear would observe one point in the sky as Earth rotated. That means the telescope caught it once, then lost it as the sky moved on. Researchers searched again, but they never found the same signal repeating in the same convincing way. That one fact changed everything. If this had been a deliberate transmission, why did it appear only once? If it was natural, why did it look so unusual? And if it was interference, why was it never clearly identified? That is what turned the WOW signal from an exciting detection into a lasting mystery. Over the years, several explanations have been proposed. One possibility is human-made interference. Maybe the signal came from Earth, a satellite, or some unknown technical source. But no fully satisfying interference explanation has ever settled the case in the minds of everyone who studies it. Another possibility is a natural cosmic source that just happened to produce something rare and unusual. Some researchers have explored ideas involving comets or hydrogen clouds, though these explanations remain debated and not universally accepted. And then there is the explanation people always jump to first: an extraterrestrial transmission. That is the most famous theory, but also the one scientists treat most carefully. The signal was intriguing, yes, but one unexplained signal is not enough proof of intelligent life. Science demands repeatability, confirmation, and stronger evidence than one strange event. What makes the WOW signal so powerful is not just the possibility that it came from something intelligent. It's the fact that for 72 seconds, humanity may have encountered something that perfectly matched the shape of a message we were hoping to find, and then lost it forever. That is why it survives, because it sits in the space between data and imagination, between science and mystery, between a real measurement and a question no one can answer with certainty. The wow signal may have been interference, it may have been a rare natural event, or it may have been something stranger. But until the same kind of signal is found again and studied properly, the truth remains out there, buried in static, silence, and one of the most haunting what-if moments in modern astronomy. If you enjoy strange science, space mysteries, and unexplained true stories, subscribe to Null Echo.